We came to the Polar Express a couple years ago when she was just 4 and our older son was about 11. It knocked my socks off, and that set for me right there a precedent that this was going to be a wonderful place to visit with my children. More than a memorable field trip, it's something that they're really connected to.
The learning that is occurring here is unbelievable, and the programming that they have is so enriching for our students.
When people visit the museum or they participate in one of our educational programs, you can see the lights come on. You can see those aha moments.
National Railroad Museum is more than just trains. We are able to let children explore everything from science, math, languages, music, art, through the railroad theme.
Their storytelling is animated, and they have the children right in their hand.
The story time here was just above and beyond anything that I had seen before.
In the last 12 months, over 6,300 people have participated in educational programming at the National Railroad Museum. Those people range from 2 years old to 82 years old.
And I find that when our classes are coming here on their field trips, they have tailored the experience specifically for the children, for that age group.
Very proud of what this organization has done, working with different organizations here in our community. They work with United Way and the YMCA in their educational programs. We have the opportunity here at the National Railroad Museum to give some kids that may not be successful in a regular classroom setting to be successful with the experiences and educational things they're able to do here.
I also think about how fortunate we are to be across the street. And then when I see buses coming to visit from other areas, I think, wow, they're lucky to be here. And then I think about who else could be touched and reached by the National Railroad Museum.
We are the National Railroad Museum, which means we explore railroad history literally from coast to coast, from Canada to Mexico. And to truly fulfill our goals as the National Railroad Museum, our educational programming needs to reach out to all corners of the country.
It gives them an opportunity to engage closely with the trains, to talk about everything that they know about every single type of car and where this train goes. And sometimes you can't get them to walk through the hallway. You know, they're just fixated out the window at the Railroad Museum.
It's weekly that the children want to come and explore and crawl and see all the history around them and learn everything that can be found here at the museum.